This question is already there with you. You can read it. I will just give you a brief idea. This problem was there in November 2018 and March 2013. There is a balance sheet of Sonam Limited as on 31st March 2018. There is a liability side containing the preference share capital and equity share capital, and the asset side contains fictitious assets like goodwill, profit and loss, and preliminary expenses. And they have given us the 7 lines, 7 adjustments that for which we will write journal entries, prepare a capital reduction account, and also the balance sheet. Please refer to video 6 for better understanding of this session. So first line is each existing equity share will be written down from 10 to rupees 6 fully paid up. So here the word is 2. So the equity share capital is written down, means reduced from 10 rupees to 6 rupees. So what is the journal entry? Journal entries in the books of Sonam Limited. Equity share capital account is debited by 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. To equity share capital account of rupees 6, 1 lakh multiplied by 6 rupees, that is 6 lakhs. There is a reduction in the share capital. So whenever there is a reduction, the capital reduction account is credited as debit all the expenses and losses and credit all the income and gain. This is a gain, and therefore capital reduction account is credited by 4 lakhs. Why it is a gain? Because the liability is reduced from 10 lakhs to 6 lakhs, and we have to pay 4 lakh rupees less, being the value of the equity reduced. Second line. This is each 10% preference share is to be written down from 10 to rupees 8 fully paid up. Yeah, actually in this second line there are 2 journal entries. So we just pick up this first line and we write 1 journal entry, and then we will go to the second line. Each 10% preference share is to be written down from 10 to 8. Here you see 10 to 6. This is 10 to 8. 10 rupees becomes 8 rupees. So what is the journal entry? Journal entry number 2. The journal entry is preference share capital account debit by 5 lakh rupees, that is 50,000 multiplied by 10 to 10% preference share capital account, that is 50,000 multiplied by 8, 10 becomes 8. To capital reduction account of 1 lakh rupees, 5 lakh minus 4 lakh is 1 lakh. Since this is reduction of capital, it is a gain to the organization, and therefore the capital reduction account is credited. Then the remaining line is these preference shares are to be converted into 12% preference share of rupees 2 each and remaining into equity share of rupees 6 each. Now these, whatever is the renewed preference share, we are going to convert them into preference share of 2 each from 10% to 12%, and the remaining are going to be converted into equity share. So here we write journal entry number 3. So what are we going to do? So the 10% preference share capital account, which is here 4 lakhs, okay, is debited. To what are we going to convert them into? To 12% preference share capital account, 50,000 multiplied by 2, that is 1 lakh, and the remaining 3 lakh rupees divided by 6 rupees gives us 50,000. So remaining is converted into equity shares. So narration is being the preference shares to be converted into 12% preference share of rupees 2, and the remaining into equity share of rupees 6 fully paid up. Then we go to the next line. The next line is the 10% debenture holder agreed to waive 20% of their claim. Here you see debenture holder is 2 lakhs and 20% of 2 lakh is 40,000. Since debenture is reduced, it is a gain. As liability is reduced, it is a gain. So it is debenture account debit to capital reduction account being reduction in the debenture of at the rate of 20%. Line number 4. Assets are revalued as follows. Land and building 12 lakh and stock reduced by 20%. The land and building is converted to 12 lakh. So what is the original price of land and building? Land and building here is 10 lakh rupees. So when the 10 lakh rupees becomes 12 lakh rupees, there is an increase in the value of the asset, and whenever there is an increase, capital reduction account is credited. So what is the journal entry? The journal entry is land and building account 12 lakh rupees minus 10, 2 lakh is the increase to capital reduction account of 2 lakh rupees. Narration is being the land and building revalued. Then the stock price is reduced. Inventory is reduced by 20%. Whenever there is a reduction in the value of asset, it is a loss, and therefore capital reduction account will be debited 4 lakh. 20% is 80,000. Credit will be given to that stock account, being reduction in the value of the stock. Then we go to the next line. Next line is creditor are settled as follows. 30% by payment, 20% is cancelled, and 50% they are giving debentures of 11%. So whatever is cancelled is our gain, and therefore capital reduction account will be credited by 20%, cash account will be there by 30%, and 50% will go to debentures. So what is the journal entry? The journal entry is creditors are of 2 lakh rupees, bank 60,000, debenture 1 lakh, capital reduction 40,000. Bank 20% of this 2 lakh rupees. This is 50% of the 2 lakh rupees, and this is 30% of the 2 lakh rupees. So 30% is cash. 30% is cash and 20% is capital reduction. This is how the creditors are settled. Now, simultaneously, if we write in the capital reduction account, how the capital reduction account will look. So this is the capital reduction account. The first entry, capital reduction account is credited by 4 lakh. So on the credit side, capital reduction account 4 lakh rupees. On the second entry, capital reduction account is credited by 1 lakh. So capital reduction account on the credit side 1 lakh by 10% preference share capital. In the third entry, there is no capital reduction account. In the fourth entry, capital reduction account is again credited. So again we write here on the credit side. Next, in the fifth entry, capital reduction account is credited. So again we write here on the capital reduction account credit side. Okay. Fifth entry, sixth entry, capital reduction account is debited. So again, you here we write on the debit side of capital reduction account. In the seventh entry, capital reduction account is credited. So here we write the capital reduction account. Okay. This is, we filled up the capital reduction account. Now we continue with our journal entry. Line number 6. Fictitious intangible assets are to be written off. It means this goodwill, then this profit and loss account, goodwill, profit and loss, preliminary expenses, we are going to write off. Whenever we write off asset, it is a loss and therefore capital reduction account will be debited because debit all the expenses and losses and credit will be given to all these three accounts. So this is our journal entry. Number 8. Capital reduction account is debited by 7 lakh, goodwill account is credited by 2 lakh, profit and loss account credited by 2 lakh, preliminary expenses credited by 1 lakh, total is 7 lakhs. And these 7 lakhs we are going to write in the capital reduction account, which is here. That is to goodwill, to profit and loss, to preliminary expenses. Okay. Then we go to the next line. 10,000 equity share of ₹6 were issued to public for cash, which was fully paid. This is a fresh issue. What is the journal entry for the fresh issue? This is our journal entry number 9. Debit what comes in, bank account debit 60,000 to equity share capital, which we are issuing. Okay, 60,000 is the amount. Here there is no capital reduction account involved, so no capital journal entries. That was the last line. Now we have, there is no other. Areas of reference dividend are normally given below the balance sheet. In this question, they are not given. And nothing is mentioned over here. So the last journal entry we have to write. Now, what is the last journal entry? The last journal entry is whatever balance is available in the capital reduction account, we are going to transfer it to the capital reserve account. So we go to the capital reduction account. The total of this side comes to 7,80,000. The total of the debit side also comes to 7,80,000. So there is no balance. So nothing goes to capital reserve account. So even if we don't write the journal entry, it is still. This I have written for your reference. So the capital reduction account debited to capital reserve account, no balance is available. In case any balance is available, it will come here and we have to write it in the journal entry. Okay. With this, we finish the journal entry. Now I would like to give you the glimpse of the balance sheet. Balance sheet, this is the format of the balance sheet in the books of Soman Soham Limited. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. First is equity and liabilities. Then we have share capital. And share capital is 10,60,000. How we got the figure of 10,60,000? It is like this. Equity share capital, you will see 1 lakh plus 50,000 plus 10,000. Now these three figures are coming from the three journal entries. These are the journal entries. See here you can see 1 lakh rupees, that is coming to 6 lakhs. See here you can see 50,000. Okay. And the last journal entry over here, you can see 10,000. So from 3 journal entries, we got this amount of 9,60,000. And what about preference shares? Preference shares, we get it from journal entry number 3. So this is the preference share. Okay. 50,000 multiplied by 8, which is 4 lakhs. Sorry, 50,000 multiplied by 2.